students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, find the root of the equation x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0 using quadratic formula. So our equation, for a general equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So comparing these two equations, the value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to minus 7 and value of c is equals to 12. So let's put this value in the equation. So x is equals to minus times b is minus 7 plus minus root of b square, that means minus 7 square minus 4 times a into c, that means 1 into 12 divided by 2 into 1. So this will be x is equals to minus plus 7 plus minus root of 7 sevens are 49 minus 12 into 4, that is 48 divided by 2. So this will be equals to 7 plus minus root 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 7 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. So 7 plus 1, 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4, and 7 minus 1, 6 divided by 2 will be equals to 3. So 4 and 3 are the two solutions of the quadratic equation. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.